the back parts, but we do have the whole motor put back together and running. As you can see, I put new fans on it, new intake, new exhaust, new header, and we had success. What do you think, Ray? Not bad? That's a touchy throttle now. Alright, so we got it going on. Like I said, we got the throttle body spacer on it, and now we got a real nice tri-Y header on it, so we'll be in good shape. So now we're going to get the wheels on it, get it outside, come back tomorrow and finish the exhaust, like the piping and shit. So, peace everybody, success.